Let go.
Listen, I get real quiet every time y'all start having them conversations about who gonna pay for what and your man gotta do all of the leg work. Because, baby, listen, around here, I'ma pay half the rent and I ain't gonna complain about it. I might even pay a little bit more depending on what your pocket's looking like for the month, because in this economy, I know. I get it. I know. I'm going to take my man on dates. I'm going to pay for a haircut. Babe, I'm about to get a pedicure. I'm going to treat you to one this month because I know you had a long month just like I did. Or shoot, happy Father's Day, happy birthday, whatever. Like, I'm paying for stuff. So, kudos to the girls that got it all taken care of for them. Kudos to the girls that's just like, my man does it all. I don't lift a finger. I lift fingers. I work. With or without a man, I'm going to work. And I'm going to take care of my man the same way I want him to take care of me. I don't see nothing wrong with paying a little bill here and there. I don't see nothing wrong with our rent, $1,400, you pay $7.
Man, let that thing be longer. Let that thing be longer. Hold on. Man, hold on, brother. Wait. What's going on here? Is that the volume? Hold on. Young lady would say, "Listen, let me cook for a second." She said, "Let me cook, cause y'all let thought pockets getting out of hand." One thing that I absolutely love about, this platform, what I'm starting to learn to love is you have women like this. She look like she natural. All right, is that natural? Wait a minute, hold on. No, I don't see no damn part. I don't know. I thought she had. It looked like her natural. Is that her natural? Y'all let me know down in the comments. Is this young lady natty? No, it's hey, she says she don't mind paying bills. Not only do she not mind paying bills, she don't mind paying 50-50. And if she got to pay a little bit more, so be it. She said, listen, shout out to the young ladies over there that, don't have to pay bills or whatever, don't have to lift a finger. She said, I lift fingers over here, all right, and don't mind doing it. She said, I do it, and she put a little extra on that thing when she said, I don't complain about it, all right? So she's more than happy to go 50-50 with a man, all right? Listen, we can go 50-50, or I can pay, a little bit more, whatever. You want to pay the whole thing, I'm cool with that. I'm not, I'm not sweating. I'm not looking for a man to come in here and pay for everything. I want to make sure that I'm adding value to this man's life. I want to make it as easy on him as possible. Listen, she said she taking men on dates. You know what I'm saying? She getting a little, I don't really do the mani petty thing or whatever. You just give me a little back massage and we go. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. But you rarely run into women like this on the internet that openly talk about stuff like this and have a big platform. Because I believe I think she had like a couple of million likes or something like that. I don't know how many followers she had on TikTok, but she had a pretty decent following. And to speak like this, because you're going to have a lot of women down in them comment sections with them pitchforks and saying, no, you need to be, supporting the girlies out here. All right, we don't need no man for nothing. Especially the pretty ones. Let me tell you something. Them booger woogers, they trying to get y'all to come on over to that side. I'm telling you. I'm talking about they actively trying to get them pretty or decent looking women to join the dark side. Because they know they can't get a man. So they going to do everything in their doggone power to keep you over there on the losing side with them. So shout out to this young lady, man. That's honestly good to hear. Y'all go check her out, man. Check her out. I believe that's her name up there at the top. Tell her that KD sent you, and I love to hear it. I love it. Fellas, what do y'all think about, young women like this that get on social media and say, listen, I don't mind paying 50-50. I'll pay a little extra. I'm going to try to add as much value to this man's life as possible. This is rare, fellas. I need for y'all to get down in the comment sections, man. We need to go show this young lady some love and some support, for real, because we don't see this too often. But I think we're making a little switch for 2026, man. Anyway, y'all let me know what you guys think down in the comments, all right? Until the next time.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna Whoa, too bad was you know they roll.